those of you that don't know, this is what was left, some of the suburbs of Christchurch after the earthquake. So this used to be residential, used to be houses all through here. In fact, you can actually, if you follow some of the lines of the trees, you can actually see where they were sitting on boundaries and stuff as well. So the land's owned by the government basically. Oi, drop that. Yeah, they've said, well, it's government land, but we're happy for people to walk dogs and come for walking down through here, and in fact even gathering. So I'm just going to stop the dog eating that bone. Yeah, so gathering bits and pieces, resources. There's still a lot of fruit trees and stuff around here. And there's a website that you can actually go to find out where all the fruit trees and stuff are. So a bit of urban foraging. And we're taking the dog for a walk. Yes, so a quick walk through the red zone. Got the Avon River down round through there. Down round through there. Swans and bits and pieces. We're actually coming up to Kerr's Reach, is where a lot of the rowing clubs are based, and they row up and down the Avon. Schools as well as clubs. So yeah, so as I said before, you're allowed to come in here. Some of it's fenced off, but there are areas you can walk down. Road's not looking particularly good at the moment. Obviously no maintenance or anything's happening. See the lines. I'll show it to you. Lines of you can see the lines of where the properties were. So that would have been a property there with trees down the boundary. So if you look on Google Maps or any of those map programs, you'll still see the addresses, so you can actually see where the houses used to be. They're still, I guess, probably legal addresses, I suppose, but yeah, it can be quite eerie. You can hear like the odd lawnmower over there and some kind of digger or something over there, but it's a Friday, so there'll be workmen and stuff around the place, but it's quite eerie walking through here thinking this was a bustling residential street before the earthquakes.